You mentioned that you have a 6-year-old son who's been sniffing a lot and clearing his throat frequently, and you're noticing a little bit of a chest rattle. You tried allergy medication because you thought maybe that was the problem, the reason behind the extra secretions, and it's not helping. I suggest calling your pediatrician and letting them know about your observations and concerns, the things you've tried, and after asking you more questions, talking with your son and performing an exam, they'll decide if further investigation or medical attention is necessary for it. If you have more questions for me in the future, please feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms and recommend us to your friends and family too.